Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen. I'm still here in the bar. I love a good bar. I'm with my friend Troy. T-Mox is going to take us through another drink that we serve here at the Lady and Sons. Everybody's had a mule. Everybody's familiar with a mule and what the ingredients are. There's Moscow mules, there's all different kinds of mules. Here in Savannah, especially particularly on this block, this is called the Gibbons range. Thomas Gibbons built this range. This is named for him from who knows how many years ago. And our dining room, our private dining room downstairs is called the Gibbons. It's Gibbons Hall. So this is named after Gibbons in honor of our block here in Savannah. This is the Gibbons Mule. I can drink them, but I can't make them. T-Box, what's in this drink, brother?
So we use our Savannah bourbon. It's a bourbon and honey. Savannah bourbon. They also make vodka here. They are a great company. They're very nice to work with for us. They have a lot of really good products. You could buy it locally, I know, here in Savannah and throughout the state of Georgia. I don't know about anywhere else, but you should definitely look for it. So this...
I think that's the only bourbon made in Savannah, isn't it? Is that the only brand? I know there's a vodka place here. Y'all have to Google that. I'm not sure.
Well, they make the Savannah 88 bourbon, and they also have a CT bourbon that's really good. Mm-hmm. I don't know of any more that still are making any bourbons here in Savannah. But it's going to have that. We use prickly pear, lime juice, and just a little bit of ginger beer. Some folks like this drink sweeter, and we've used our homemade honey syrup. But to me, that's just a little over the top. But if you love a good sweet drink, or you want to kill that taste of the bourbon just a little bit more, you could use that. So we make this drink here in a mason jar, like many of our drinks at the Lady and Sons. It's going to take 2 ounces of our Savannah honey bourbon. We also take our lime and we squeeze it fresh into the actual drink. And this ginger beer is kind of like ginger ale. It does have a little bit of fizz to it, so you don't want to shake this drink when you're making it, but you definitely need to mix it back and forth. So we just use a simple prickly pear syrup. You can get this in a couple of different ways. For us, this holds really well. You just stick it in the refrigerator, and we'll go through this bottle usually on a good Saturday. So for me, I like the color, so the more the better. I'd say about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces, but you want it to have that nice red color. And then you want your ginger beer also to give it that good flavor, so you don't want to underdo the ginger beer. And with this, gonna toss it back and forth. Make sure you get back mixed up, but if you shake it, this shaker will shoot across the bar.
Oh yeah, because it's got the carbonation. Yep, carbonation. That's the good word. That's this $12 word. I love the lime in it too. This looks great. It looks like summertime in Savannah. I tell you what, it is starting to warm up here, and a nice cold drink like that on a day like today, delish.
For years, we did the Savannah Mule. It was such a good drink, but we just needed to spruce it up a little bit. We did use our Savannah vodka for that and just used bitters. But it had a distinct taste to it, and we like this because it is just, it definitely screams Savannah, something that anyone in this building could drink.
Including me?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Give me that straw. Gibbons Mule, y'all. Cheers. Ooh. That is delish. Not too sweet. The prickly pear is really good. The ginger beer is good too. It's all good. Y'all come down to Savannah and give this a try on for size. The Gibbons Mule. Thank you, T-Mox. I'm Jamie Deen. See y'all around the bar.
Thank y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.